My name is Bruce Sandell, and I'm a partner technical architect. So what we're demonstrating here is the value of zero copy sharing. Get data from some of our most popular SaaS providers without having to set up data replication pipelines. So you'll just access the data directly from the source, so you're always getting the most recent version of the data. For the most part, they're really easy to set up. You see them in BigQuery as though they were BigQuery tables and can interact with them as though they were regular BigQuery tables. So in our demo today, we'll be working with ServiceNow, Salesforce, and SAP. We also have zero copy solutions available for Workday and Palantir. What we have is a fictional data center. We're streaming all of the log data from those servers into a BigQuery table. We have a BigQuery continuous query running on top of the BigQuery table, and it's looking for any error messages in the log entries. If it finds an error message, it's going to take that message and it's going to send it to Gemini along with a prompt asking it to return a text block that describes the error, possible causes, and suggested resolutions for it. We take that text block, we push it into a pub subtopic, which is going to publish it to a ServiceNow API endpoint and automatically create a ticket for it. Meanwhile, we've got a Looker dashboard that's keeping track of all the error messages that we see. We have a threshold set. If we see a particular error message more than the suggested number of times, we have another dashboard that we can drill into that's going to give us some more specific information about that error. And that data is going to include zero copy data that's coming from Salesforce and SAP. So we use Looker conversational analytics and just ask it to give us a list of all of the customers that have that particular hardware from that particular batch. We have an agent set up in Looker that gives us exactly the data that we want to answer these types of questions. So we get the list of all the customers that might be impacted, and then we're left with an issue that we may not have foreseen, which is that we need a bunch of replacement chips that we hadn't really planned on having in inventory. So we can use SAP Cortex and Gemini Enterprise to get back information that lets us figure out how and where we can get those chips that we need. I'm really excited to talk to people and hear what people are most excited about. And one of the things that I enjoy most at Next is it gives me a great opportunity to get face-to-face with the partners that I work with and talk about some things that we could be working on together and see what's really important to them.